How to use the Boiler Guard test kit. The first step is to register the water sample from your boiler online by using your phone's camera to scan the QR code on your chain of custody. If you are unable to scan the QR code, then go to the URL that you see on the screen now. Online registration is a required step and must be completed before submitting your water sample. Follow the prompts on the online registration. During this process, you will have the option to choose standard or rush testing. After finishing the registration, you are ready to collect the water sample from your boiler. Choose the location from which you wish to collect your water sample. It's important that you collect from a location that will provide a representative water sample. We recommend you select a location based on the equipment manufacturer's maintenance or warranty guidelines. Take all 3 sample vials out of the shipping box. One at a time, remove the caps from the vials and carefully fill each one with water to just above the 50 ml mark. Do not touch the inside of the caps or vials. Do not overfill the vials. Screw the caps back onto the vials immediately after filling until firmly tightened. Ensure you recap each vial with its original cap. Shake the sample vials to make sure they're not leaking. If the ID label on the vial is wet, dry it with a towel. Using a pen or permanent marker, write the requested information on each ID label. Insert the 2 vials with the blue and orange caps into one of the included plastic bags. Place the 3rd vial with a clear cap into another small plastic bag. Squeeze out any excess air from the bags and seal them. Place the vials into the respective slots inside the return shipping box. Fill out the enclosed chain of custody with all required information. Separate the chain of custody by cutting along the dotted line. Fold the chain of custody into thirds and place it inside the remaining small plastic bag. Seal the bag and lay it on top of the vials inside of the return shipping box. Close the box and seal it shut with packing tape. Create your shipping label using the delivery address on the screen. We recommend using UPS or FedEx. Ensure you keep your tracking number for your records. Thank you for choosing Boiler Guard for your industrial water testing. If you have any questions about how to use your kit, please email us or give us a call and we'd be happy to assist you.